Alright, I just wanted to do a quick video on this paint stand that I bought. I actually got this from the Matco tool truck. It was about $35 or $40, I believe. I bought two of them. So it's called Painter's Helper Heavy Duty Truck Mirror Support. It looks like it's made by Killer Tools, but like I said, I got this off of the Matco tool truck. It's pretty easy to put together, really simple, just a few things to screw on. It's very heavy duty. I put some decent sized parts on here and it holds really well. The magnet on here is super heavy duty. I'll open it up real quick. And as you can see, it comes with this magnet. Like I said, this magnet is really powerful. Then it's got a clamp that you screw onto the end of it. Pretty tight. Holds on the parts really well. And then the handle. And as you can see, the magnet just screws on right there. And you screw the clamp on over there. You put this sticker over the back of the magnet, protect it from overspray, and you're good to go. I bought two of them, so I do have one put together right here. And as you can see, got the magnet on there. Oh, clamp right there. And the magnet's kind of just picking up everything here. Let me close this. I love this thing. This thing works great. I put all kinds of parts on it. I want to get some more. There's a couple other stands that I have and that I want to get that I'll do some quick little reviews on just to show you guys as well. Anything to make the job easier, you know. Do a lot of miscellaneous parts for cars that just don't really have stands to hold them. And I don't want to put them on a big stand that's just going to take up a whole bunch of room for a tiny little part, like a little mirror cap or something like that, you know. Especially the way I do it, I usually do a lot of parts in one boost cycle. I try to utilize my boost cycles as well as I can and get as many paintable hours in each cycle as possible. So using big stands for little parts just doesn't really work for me. So as you can see, just snap that thing on the wall right there and it works great. And like I said, the magnet's pretty heavy duty. It holds some decent sized parts. Clamp works great. Clamp it on anything. Mirror covers, mirrors, handles, whatever. Sometimes if I have a couple handles, I'll just do two of them on there. Come out both ways. Whatever, you know, whatever works for you, whatever is best. Like I said, I just wanted to do this video just to show you guys this. You know, there's a lot of options out there for different stands. I found this one and I feel that it works really good. I have two of them. I'm probably going to get another one just because, like I said, I do a lot of miscellaneous parts with a lot of cars. So instead of having, you know, parts everywhere or whatever, you could just snap them all on the wall right there together, take them off, spray them, put them back on the wall, good to go. And this is made by Killer Tools, Painter's Helper Heavy Duty Truck Mirror Support.